Jay Gannon the Cannon here from Scottsdale, Arizona, enjoying a beautiful morning walk, here to talk about what the SEC can and cannot do and who has the authority to pursue criminal actions. I happen to be a lawyer. This is not legal advice, please don't take it as such, but maybe I looked into it a little bit because I might have an interest in the stocks. By the way, it's beautiful here. Did that whole thing. I'm a millennial, gonna be just like my parents. In any event, there were some recent reports that some things that were listed online were were made to be taken down because they exposed some potential fraudulent or illegal activity by one of the hedge funds. And apparently, the story is that a lawyer called the person and said, "You have to take this down, or you know, you're going to be arrested." So, a civil attorney, I get this all the time. I don't have the authority, and nobody does, to enforce criminal actions. That's the power of the state. And certain entities or organizations have operate as organs of the state to enforce the laws. One of these entities that you might be aware of is the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, versus, say, I don't know, the DTCC or private groups that govern their members. Now, while they work together and mirror each other's regulations, one can only enforce civil actions, the other can enforce criminal actions. The only person who could have arrested anybody is the SEC. In fact, in certain states, let's use Texas, it is a breach of the ethical code of an attorney to threaten criminal action in seeking a demand from another party. Instead, they'd have to file suit and get a restraining order. So when you see that, it in and of itself is perhaps causing fear or uncertainty, doubt, and that's spreading it even further. I think it's important to note this because the government agencies move slower. They just do. They have to recognize and establish and protect certain liberties people have, even people you don't like, such as corporate entities. But the private ones don't. I think there was a lot of recent regulations or administrative rule changes that passed, and those are likely to be the ones that kick in quicker. So if you're looking about what might happen in the near future, I think you should look to how some of those regulations might trigger change and how it might affect the markets. Anyways, take a walk outside. It's a beautiful day. It's good to keep your blood pressure down. Bye-bye.